This tutorial will demonstrate how to change curve mnemonics in LES files using the LES application software. This routine uses a lookup table and an example of one is included with the software and located in the directory c:/LESApps, and it looks like this. There's the lookup table name is right there. All lines in these lookup tables beginning with a single quote will be ignored, and this table here is only an example. It's not complete nor necessarily correct, and I would suggest that you modify it as needed. The mnemonics are space delimited and not case sensitive. The mnemonics on a line will be renamed to the first mnemonic on that line. If the renaming results in a duplicate, only the first curve encountered will be renamed. So, for example, in the line below, the first curve encountered with the mnemonic SP, SPCG, PCH1, SPI3, or SPC will be renamed to N_SP. You'll notice that all of the renamed curve mnemonics begin with N_. This is not necessary, but something I found useful to more easily identify the standardized curve mnemonics. Also, the math scripts included with this software all use these same standardized curve mnemonics. So let's do an example. We begin by starting the software, which is already started in here, and then we select the input files by clicking on the select button. We will use an example file included with the software and located in C, LasApps, example data, under the subdirectory change curve names, and we will pick this third guy right here. It's now in the input directory, and we can click on the continue button. The routine for changing curve mnemonics is located under the menu item More Tools, right here. Click on Curves, there it is, Change Curve Mnemonics. And this form will come up. There's some more comments in here, and you'll notice that there's a little check mark in here. And what that does is it preserves the original curve name in a comment line in the LES file. We now have to select the lookup table, which we'll do by clicking on the Browse button. We'll go to C LasApps. Here we go. There's your curve alias table. We'll open that, and the table will be put into the file into this window right here and below. We can now make modifications to this table, and we can save the modified table if we wish, or we can click on the continue button, and the process runs, and it's done. We can now look at the results, which look like, here we go. This is what the curves section of the resulting file will look like. The colors were added for your benefit. They will not be found in your normal output files. Yellow indicates the lines that were on the original LES file that have been commented out with the pound sign in front. And the red lines, just below the yellow lines, show you the new renamed curve names, N_DT, N_GR, and N_NPSS. And that's all there is to it. Remember to save your results when you're done, and thank you for watching.